Here I go, deep in the rabbit hole of the mechanical keyboard. What is my obsession with the retro style this time around? Not too many reviews on YouTube about this keyboard. Decided to pick one up off Amazon, my go-to place for shopping. I will now do the unboxing, the tapping test, and what I think about this keyboard. Right off the bat, this keyboard has the hefty feel to it, weigh like a brick. The typings actually sound good with the black switches, no more needed. The price is around $150 with tax included. Love the 8-bit lettering on the keycaps. The strangest thing is that the delete key is on the bottom, right on top of the left arrow key. Normally the delete key is on top on right side. Is the designing drinking heavily on Chinese New Year or what? And what's up with the 84 logo on the left lower corner? 8 means rich and 4 means dead if you say it in Chinese. Besides a couple of weird things, this keyboard is still striking to the eye. I love it. Would recommend it to anyone. I will also get the white version of this keyboard too. Got to have it. Two sides of the same coin. Peace. Till next time.